What if you could help build our future physical world right from your own home?
Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's actually happening now. Let's dig into how it all works.
Okay, first things first, we have to understand the problem. Our old infrastructure, it's at a breaking point.
By 2025, we're talking about 27 billion connected devices, all needing power and data constantly.
And here's the crazy part. Even renewables can cause massive voltage swings that threaten the grid.
The old way of building this stuff is just too slow, too expensive, and creates huge weak spots.
So yeah, the old way is not going to cut it. We need a totally new model. Enter decentralized infrastructure.
We call it DePIN for short. It's all about letting communities build and own the stuff themselves.
Here's a simple way to think about it. Instead of one company building a hotel, anyone can offer up a room.
And this isn't just theory, it's really happening. Let's check out some cool examples. Take Helium Mobile. They've got a $20 unlimited plan because they use hotspots owned by their actual users. And get this, it works. In Miami, it's already handling over half the data that normally go to big carriers. Then you've got GeoNet. They're building this crazy accurate location network, and it's all community-owned. This creates a super reliable data source for everything from self-driving cars to climate science. Okay, so people are building the hardware, but how do you manage a huge network like that? You need a software brain. For energy, they call it a DERMS. Think of it as the network's mission control. This brain is always working, sensing data, analyzing it, and then acting to make everything run perfectly. And that act part, that creates what are called virtual power plants. It's genius, really. So when you put this people-powered hardware together with that smart software layer, you get something way better. You get a power grid that's much more stable, especially when things like extreme weather hit. And for wireless, we're talking cheaper, faster networks built by the people who actually use them. This model is just tougher too. Look, revenue's barely dipped compared to other crypto sectors. Why is that? Because it's tied to real-world use, not just hype. So the big question is, what do we rebuild next?